It was a sunny and dry Sunday for most parts of South Africa, except in the southwestern Cape, where it was cloudy for some parts of the day. Off our shores, a fairly strong cold front is approaching out in the Atlantic Ocean, with cold air following closely behind it, and that's going to bring a change in weather conditions over the next couple of days. Taking a look at Monday's weather now, we're expecting it to remain hot and dry towards the far eastern parts of the country. In the southwest, the cold front's going to move through, spreading cloudy and wet weather along with it along the southern and western coastline, and a second stronger cold front will be following closely behind. The South African Weather Service has issued 2 alerts for Monday. The first is a warning for very rough seas extending from Lambert's Bay through to Port Alfred, wave heights up to 6 meters in some places. And a second alert is a watch for extremely uncomfortable conditions over northeastern KwaZulu-Natal. And here we see the very hot conditions. Ulundi getting up to 35 degrees on Monday afternoon. It's going to remain clear, dry and hot for the rest of the province as well. Similar conditions are forecast for much of the Eastern Cape, especially for the interior, while along the coastline it's going to become increasingly cloudy and rainfall is going to extend from Port Elizabeth all the way through to East London, especially in the evening, afternoon highs getting up into the lower 20s. It's going to be fairly cloudy along the Western Cape's south coast as well. A small chance of light rain over that area, and we're expecting a particularly good chance of rain towards the southwestern Cape. Cape Town with a high of only 17 degrees and up to a 60% chance of rain, and that chance of rain extends towards Worcester and Robertson as well. A bit of light rain expected in the evening for Vredendal, while the rest of the western coastline remains partly cloudy and dry. Another windy afternoon expected for the northern Cape interior, Daar getting up to 25 degrees. A hot day expected for Welkom in the Free State, lots of sunshine expected, and it's going to be another sunny and dry day for the northwest province with a chilly start in places, 7 degrees for Klerksdorp, Rustenburg with a high of 32. Over Limpopo province, sunshine dominates, particularly hot for the Lowveld, 36 degrees for Musina as well as Phalaborwa. Mbombela in Mpumalanga gets up to 33 degrees as well, but milder onto the Highveld, 26 for Ermelo, Standerton with a warm afternoon at 29. We're expecting a sunny and dry day for Gauteng, Soweto at 28, but a chilly start for Vereeniging, down to 8 degrees overnight. Taking a look at the winds now, we're expecting it to remain fairly windy over the western interior, and fresh southwesterlies are going to develop along the south coast in the afternoon. Tuesday's weather conditions now, where further cold air spreads in over western South Africa. A bit of rain for Sutherland at 13 degrees. It remains hot for Limpopo and Mpumalanga. And on Wednesday, we're expecting even colder air over the southern parts of the country. Very cold in places. Sutherland at 11, Graaff-Reinet reaching a high of only 13.